Yo guys, what is up? Sierra Maxwell Vlogs here, back with another video. The East Coast got snow. So, like, I don't know how much. I don't think my window will show me because of the rain, but, oh wait, it will. Kind of, but we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys more. So, yeah, I'm gonna get ready, go outside, bundle up as best as I can. So, let's go do that. I can't show you guys because the SD card I have doesn't have enough space. I only have 11 minutes to film, so let's go do this real quick. Alright guys, so this is the outfit for so far. I still have to get ready, but we have 2 layers of pants on, as you can tell. And we got like 2 layers of socks. We got this one, we got 3 anklet socks on, because in the East Coast the snow mixes with rain and it legit penetrates into your boots. So yeah, so we're gonna put on our hat, we're gonna put on our sweatshirt, and we're gonna get very bundled, and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna film the snow, and we're gonna try to get a thumbnail and everything else. So yeah, alright guys, we're bundled up. We're gonna go outside into this glorious, you're not going outside. Guys, here we are into East Coast's first blizzard of 2020. So it's cold. So yeah guys, this is what snow looks like on the East Coast. If you're not from the East Coast, my zoom is a little off. If you're not from the East Coast, you don't know the vibes. So this is what we deal with every so often on the East Coast. We deal with snow. So yeah, so snow on the East Coast, dope. Let me just show you how much snow we have so far. We're supposed to be getting a foot. That's how much snow we have so far. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do a snowman. Hopefully it works, and I'll show you guys after. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to put my camera on this mount. I'm going to see if it's going to work. And I'm going to film this process making me making a snowman. Sadly it won't stay because I don't have my tripod. But yeah. It's cold. It's like what, 17 degrees out? But yeah, we got snow. Let's go East Coast. Alright guys, here's our snowman. It's really cold out. So, yeah, it's cold. I officially hate the snow. I never realized how much I hate the snow. So guys, it's still snowing. It's not supposed to stop till like noonish. I think it's like, I can't tell because my watch is underneath all these layers. But it's cold. I'm gonna be walking this foot, seeing how red my face is and nose, and I'm gonna be like, damn. But it's cold. My neighbor came by, plowed the driveway. He's probably gonna have to come back around again after it stops. But yeah, we're supposed to get some rain Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully get rid of half of this snow. But everything is frozen. Look. This frozen. There's like legit nobody outside plowing, and I don't get why. Trash pickup was today. I'm gonna go in here because it might be warmer. Okay. I need to clean my camera, my lens. So yeah guys, it's cold. My battery is gonna die. How lovely. Yeah. It's supposed to be then the rain, mixed with rain in the afternoon, I don't know, but that's the East Coast snowstorm. Fun. I'm probably gonna wrap up this video here. I don't know, probably am because my camera's gonna die, but thank you guys for watching this snowstorm for the East Coast 2020. I legit can't see because my glasses are all covered in snow. I'm struggling, but I'm gonna go inside, have some hot cocoa, and see you guys later. Subscribe, and peace out. Maybe we'll have more snow vlogs in the future. Who knows? But yeah, subscribe down below, and peace out. Hey guys, post update. What is going on with this camera? Hold on. So, as you know, my state, East Coast, Rhode Island, got hit with a big snowstorm. And, like, the whole East Coast got hit with this snowstorm. It is still falling. And I got called by my boss. My boss is like, hey, can you, like, come in at, like, 1 o'clock? We're short-staffed. I'm like, how short are you? She's like, I don't know. I didn't do a head count. A lot of people are still showing up. But, yeah, I'm going in at 1. This is, like, a pre-update. The outro I already did, but I just want to let you guys know that the snowstorm ruined everything. So I'm drinking some hot chocolate. I'm going to have some lunch. It's like 11:43. I have 2 more hours to go. I have to still make my food for work, but this is my hot chocolate. So yeah, that's my hot chocolate. It's very light because I added some coffee creamer in it. I just got this new holiday coffee creamer. Oh my god, it's the bomb! Currently drinking hot cocoa with peppermint mocha creamer. And I drink it plain and I just want to try it. It's like, oh, it's so good. So, yeah guys. We got snow. This is our winter storm. And it's supposed to stop by like 2, now it's good. And then we're getting rain Sunday and Monday. And then rain again Thursday. So probably by Thursday the snow should be gone. But we're supposed to get more snow Friday. So if we do get snow Friday, guys, we will have a white freaking Christmas. And I haven't had a white Christmas since I was 7 or 6 years old. So yeah, East Coast got hit with a big snowstorm. It was amazing. My face is officially warming back up. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go make my food for work. I'm gonna get my uniform on and everything, and I gotta get prepared. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. I already did the outro, but subscribe down below. We're posting constantly. We're trying to post. Yeah, we're officially back. We are officially back. I planned last night videos for January and February watching a movie, and I don't even know how I did it. Follow me on my Instagram, Sierra Master Wolf Vlogs. We got the dog over here sleeping. Sleepy baby! Sleepy baby! Say hi! So, yeah. Yeah, it's snowing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the East Coast's first blizzard of 2020. Even though it was like a storm, but it was like a blizzard too. Yeah, I'm gonna go. And I'll see you guys after. We're probably gonna get excited for Christmas. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe down below. Right, Tasha? Right, Tasha? She went outside in the snow, but I gotta go, guys. I gotta charge this camera up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys after. Peace out.